Today. Welcome to the Pitcairn Island. My name is Torika. I am the external group manager that oversees the Natural Resources Department. It's great to meet you all this morning, and I will pass you on to my heads of department.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jayden Warren-Peu. I'm one of the heads of Natural Resources. We follow up the MPA, the marine side of things, and the terrestrial side of things. Oh, and I'm the MSB coordinator, the Marine Science Base coordinator.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Charlene Warren. I'm one of the heads of Natural Resources. I co-work with Jayden, and like you said, we oversee the terrestrial and the marine side of Pitcairn and our out islands. And also, I'm the Marine Permits Officer.
Hi, everyone. I'm Rachel Midland. I'm the administrator here.
There we go. That's done. So introducing there we go. Introducing our Marine Science Base. We will have our Marine Science Base coordinator touching on these. It's a bit slow. There we
go. So our Marine Science Base is it consists of a dining room, living room, conference room, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, and a laundry as well. Our MSB laboratory, it's also equipped with like a bunch of different hazardous equipment such as chemical suits, chemical spill kits. We've got like sample fridge freezers. It's got stainless benches, lockable storage, bins and containers. It's also got like a bunch of different things like plastic tables and stuff like that that can be folded and moved to wherever you need it. It's got a big roller door, which you can therefore access the laboratory from outside. If you need to bring big things in, it's a big 3-meter roller door, so very well accessible. We've also got a bunch of different equipment that the MSB is equipped with. Some of the important ones include a fumes cupboard that is yet to be installed. It will be installed hopefully soon. We have 5 brubs with GoPros. We have an ROV, a Niskin bottle, assortment of collection jars and bottles, microscope scales, and a lockable chemical cupboard for storing your hazardous chemicals and stuff like that.
Oh, that was quick. And on the marine scientific research permit side of things, do you need a marine research permit to carry out research at Pitcairn, Oino, Henderson, and Ducie Islands? The short answer is yes, you do. You must obtain a permit to carry out any specific research work within the Pitcairn Islands marine protected area. To do that, and how you can apply for a permit is that you can email it to the Marine Permit Officer that's the email address there, permitofficer@pitcairn.gov.pn. You can apply by email along with your proposal outlining, but not limited to, the type of research you would like to carry out and achieve, what support you would need from Pitcairn and to help you achieve your data collection, the time frame, duration of your stay at Pitcairn, and who and how many scientists will be carrying out the research. So that's just some pointers that is to be included in your proposal. Online applications are coming soon. We're in the process of a minor review with our marine conservation regulations. Once completed, application forms will be available on the Pitcairn Island government website. Application fee of $500 is charged, plus $50 per scientist if approval is granted.
On to me now. So local services available on island. On island throughout the years, from collaboration and working with the Blue Belt program, skills on island have developed greatly with the residents. So we have residents assisting in the field with things such as bird collection and handling of birds, fish data collection, and mainly boat handling. On island, if you did come to stay at the Marine Science Base and utilize the Marine Science Base for science research purposes, we also have boat hire facilities available on island that the Natural Resources Department could help you all assist in obtaining. We have food and takeaways on island, so we have not restaurants, but minor takeaways where you can order your food and takeaways meals for the evening. For transportation, there's also quad bike hire available on the island, so you're not limited to just walking by foot. There is transportation available, and licenses can be obtained through the Pitcairn Islands Police Department. And for local facilities, we also have a general store with that's a supermarket, government treasury, which you are able to use credit cards, and we also have a medical center on island. So Pitcairn Island is quite a European modernized island in the South Pacific, so its local facilities are quite good. For getting to Pitcairn, the Silver Supporter schedule, the link is available. You can check on the schedule what voyage suits you. They're all there up till March 2027. We are currently working on the remainder of 2027 to 2028 schedule. But if you would like to visit Pitcairn, please go to the schedule, have a look at your preferred voyage and what suits your timeline, and you can get in touch with the tourism department through there. For getting to Pitcairn, Tahiti is your main start station. So Tahiti/Papeete. You'll start there before flying to Mangareva and then getting the Silver Supporter, our lovely boat, to Pitcairn Island, and then that's the return trip back. Just some helpful tips. The ferry, there is a ferry that takes you from the airport in Mangareva to the main island where the Silver Supporter crew will pick you up. That cost is not covered in the Silver Supporter berths, and seasick medication is recommended if you do not travel well in open ocean areas. And then there is some contact information of the team here on island. For the tourism department, if you do have any questions or inquiries for the tourism department, you can contact the GM external also. So yes.